Strong relationships are built on the foundation of trust. And one such relationship is Calpol and you. Thank you for 50 years of trust in us. Continue the same trust with Calpol T. Let's discuss about its mechanism of action on human body. Calpol T is composed of paracetamol 325 mg and tramadol hydrochloride 37.5 mg. Combination analgesic products have been effective because they activate multiple pain inhibitory pathways and offer a broader spectrum of relief and might reduce adverse effects. Combining two or more agents may result in an addictive or synergistic analgesic effect. Therefore, the dose of tramadol in Calpol T is 25% lower per tablet than the dosage of plain tramadol, yet provide effective pain relief of moderate to moderatively severe pain. Calpol targets multiple mechanisms of pain, multimodal analgesia, acts at multiple sites, combines paracetamol's rapid onset of efficacy with tramadol's prolonged analgesic effect, and it is effective and generally well tolerated. Tramadol has a dual centrally acting mechanism of action. It can be described as a weak agonist effect at the opioid receptors, inhibition of serotonin and norepinephrine reuptake, and contribute to enhancing the descending pain inhibitory pathway or analgesic pathway. Analgesic pathway is blocking the pain impulse from reaching the trauma site. The pain block impulse goes to the hypothalamus first from the cortex, then to the periaqueductal grey matter of the brainstem, then the raphe nucleus present below the PAGM, then another neuron from the raphe nucleus descends down the SC through the dorsolateral pathway and ends at the appropriate level of SC. A neuron will project out from its appropriate level of SC to the dorsal horn, where the first order neuron synapsed with the second order neuron in the pain pathway and block that particular synapse and therefore prevents the pain impulse from going up the spinothalamic tract to the brain for perception. Just to explain the same in a blown up diagram here, this is a sensory neuron entering the dorsal horn of the SC, which synapses with the second order neuron. The analgesics coming from the dorsolateral pathway release pain inhibitory transmitter, mostly opioids, which bind to the receptors present in the presynaptic and postsynaptic neuron in the dorsal horn, causing presynaptic inhibition and postsynaptic inhibition, hence stopping the impulse from going further. Paracetamol inhibits NMDA mediated nitric oxide synthesis. Prescribing instructions: dosage 1 to 2 tablets every 4 to 6 hours as needed for pain relief and up to maximum of 8 tablets per day. Pediatric use not to be used below 16 years of age. Thank you.